So the first thing I'm gonna do is download and install the WooCommerce plugin. So just to guys get you familiar with what that is, this is a really popular plugin called WooCommerce. And this plugin allows you to turn your WordPress site into an online store. Now, everybody's familiar with what a plugin is, right? Everybody knows what a plugin is, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So this allows you to upload products. You can sell online with WooCommerce. You could build stores for others. Um, and there's also a ton of extensions to help expand your online store. WooCommerce also comes with a lot of templates. There's also a lot of companies who use WooCommerce. So all the different companies, different brands that are using this powers a lot of online stores. They have experts you can hire too if you wanted to hire. Um, if you have high volume store, you got enterprise solutions. Uh, they have 3.6 million online stores built with WooCommerce. 31% of them are the top 1 million e-commerce stores. 43% of the web is built on WordPress. So it's pretty popular. It's really, really cool tool. Um, show you like some of the extensions that they have. All extensions. So you got Woo Payments. But we're gonna use Stripe to accept payments. You can connect Stripe to this. So this is a free extension. And they also have Facebook WooCommerce. You can sell on Facebook. They have a way for you to set up subscriptions. To enable that, they have PayPal payments. They have stuff for like Square. If you're on Square, you just set payments through Square. They got shipment tracking, product bundle add-ons. You can offer add-ons like gift wrapping, special messages, WooCommerce shipping, set a min and max and quantity rules for products, orders, and category. They got marketing solutions. So there's a ton. UPS shipping method. So you can get all the shipping rates from UPS, and then that can calculate how much it'll cost to ship a particular item for you, and then you can just connect that to your store. A bunch of other stuff. So they have tons and thousands, not thousands, but like tons of extensions. So we're just gonna set up a simple online store. We're gonna use a few extensions. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come to my plugin. I'm gonna click add new plugin. And then I'm gonna search for WooCommerce. So here, so you can search for it in the plugin repository. And there it goes right there. Just right here. Commerce, install. So you would click install, and then once it's installed, then you can click activate. Awesome. So I gotta refresh the page, just refresh the page. And then, so once you set up WooCommerce, it's gonna take you to like a guided process, like set up my store, and all that stuff. You don't necessarily have to do all this. But if you want to, you can, you know, we'll use this information to help you set up payments. What industry, clothing and accessories, select country, United States. It's a quick way to get set up. United States, Illinois, email address, continue. But you don't have to go through this. So get a boost with our free features. So if you want to add this, so I don't need this, Pinterest, no shipping labels. They got shipping labels add on. You can print shipping labels. You can boost your content. They got Mailport for email marketing and newsletters. We get an automatic tax rate with WooCommerce tax. So I'll continue. So it's just setting up all that stuff for me, but you don't have to. But it will make recommendations about certain plugins you need to add on in order to extend certain add-ons, I mean, that you need to add on in order to extend the functionality. So, man. So now we have our store, the beginning process. So does anybody have any questions?
So it's WooCommerce, right?
Yes.
Plugin. Okay, thank you.
Anybody else got any questions? Does everybody have is everybody logged into their laptop and able to follow along? Because I want you guys to follow along.
No, I got lost. Am I on SiteGround or should I start on?
We're in
My
WordPress
site-
right now.
Oh, okay, so
So you didn't catch what I was doing in the beginning?
I didn't. I was trying to go to it in here
So
and watch you. So
did you catch the part? Is everybody on their laptop following along?
I'm on my laptop.
Yes, I'm on my
everybody else?
laptop.
Okay.
Same.
All right. So the first thing you're gonna do is like make sure you install that plugin. Okay. So you know how to install a plugin, right? Imani?
Yes, but I'm not on the right thing, I think. I mean, I am, but it says I would have to install WordPress and WooCommerce.
You said you would have to what? Say it again.
Install WordPress and WooCommerce.
Why would you install
Or do
WordPress?
you want me to do this on, I don't know what, I think I'm on the wrong thing.
Okay.
Okay,
We'll get back to you afterwards. But anybody else got some issues? Everybody's following along, okay. Okay, awesome. So what I want to do is next, I want to connect my Stripe account. So what I'm gonna do is go to payments. So this is Woo Payments. I don't necessarily want to use that. Let's see. I want to use Stripe, PayPal, Stripe, WooCommerce. So let me see. I'm gonna go to settings, commerce. And then go to payments. And then what I'm looking for is Stripe. So I think I gotta download that add-on. So yes, I'm gonna have to go to plugins, add a new plugin. Because if not, you're gonna have to use Woo Payments and that cost. But if you have a Stripe account, it doesn't cost. So Stripe, Commerce.
So Jerry, what was the Stripe that we're going to use as a plugin?
Um, you said what? Say it again.
Is it the what right there, what you have, WooCommerce Stripe payment
So the first plugin,
gateway?
first plugin that I installed was WooCommerce.
Yes, I have that.
Okay, so next, the second plugin I'm installing is a plugin, and it's an add-on to WooCommerce for you to accept Stripe payments. So I think is this one. Is it this one? I'm trying to remember which one I used. It's like two different ones. I think it may be this one. Payment plugin for Stripe. I think it may be this one. Activate. I think I may see it. I have to check. I don't think it's this one. It's not this one. It's not. It's the other one. So let me go to my plugins. The other one is the one I like better. So I think that's the one that works better with Stripe. Check right here. Stripe by Woo. Yes. I'll install this. Okay. Alright, and then if I go back to commerce, go to settings, payments. There we go. This right here. So let me go to plugins. Let me get rid of the other one, the one that's not. So you're gonna choose the one that's by WooCommerce, the Stripe one. So let me get rid of this payment plugin. Stripe, is it this one? I think it's this one. Back here. Should see that. Okay, yes. So you're gonna get the one by Stripe, by Woo. So if you look right here, it says Stripe by Woo. You could even click into it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna click this to set this up. And then I gotta connect my Stripe account. So I'm gonna connect my Stripe account. I already have a Stripe account. Okay, and this is how it'll connect it for you. Put your email in. Hold on. Gotta get my password. Yes, what's up, Anna?
Jerry, I didn't see that Stripe. They had the WooCommerce Stripe payment gateway,
Yeah, that's the one you
but
want.
not that other one. That's the one I do want?
Yeah, if you see Stripe
Okay.
by Woo, and then there's public payment Stripe payment plugin. Don't choose that one. Choose the one by Woo, Stripe by Woo.
By Woo, okay. Great, thank you.
All right.
And Jerry, I have the Stripe, and I'm ready to set it up, but I missed how you got to this screen here. We can enter your login info.
Yes. So, give me 1 second.
Okay, no problem.
So this is my account. So if you set up your account, log in, you'll see your account. I can just connect it. Okay. So now, I'm here. So what you need to do in order to get to that point, go to WooCommerce settings. So if you click on, you go to WooCommerce, you got WooCommerce activated. Go to settings, go to payments. Make sure you have this Stripe, Stripe by Woo activated, that plugin downloaded, and make sure you flip this to on, right? It should say like finish setup, and this should be like looking like this, but you flip this to on, and then it's gonna redirect you to that setup page that you just saw where you can put in your email, your password. If you have two-factor authentication, it may ask you for that. That's if you have it set up. And then it'll take you back. It'll take you back here. You'll be right here. Yeah, yeah, it'll take you right here. And then we'll stop right here. I want everybody to get caught up.
Okay, so yeah, when I select the little enable button and it jumps me to a screen, but it's saying get started with Stripe, connect or create a Stripe account, enter account key.
So did you create a Stripe account?
I do have one, yes. I made it a couple months ago.
Okay, so put in your username and your password in order to connect your Stripe account to it.
Oh, I see. Okay, I got it now.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. So I'm gonna give you guys some time to connect your Stripe account to your store. So we can continue on. So I'll give you guys about 10 minutes to do that.
So Jerry, is it wise to go ahead and just install both of them at the same time on the same page in the plugin?
To install what?
I got Woo's already. Woo's Commerce is installed now. I'm looking at Woo's Commerce Stripe Payment Gateway. Install that now.
Yeah, you can install that now.
Okay.
Okay, I got caught up, Jerry.
Okay.
I
Awesome.
installed my Stripe. I'm just gonna make sure the Woo Commerce is
Then
I installed that too, but I just gotta make sure.
you
it's
have
good.
a Stripe account to connect to it?
Mhm.
Okay, cool.
Yep, I already did it.
Awesome. And then next, I'm gonna show you guys how to set up your Stripe account for testing. There's some things you gotta grab out of your Stripe account, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. So I'm gonna take a 10-minute break and then I'll come back.
Sounds good. Thank you.
All right.
Did anyone for the Stripe account, did you have to enter your bank information?
Yes.
So for your banking information, when you collect money, you want Stripe to deposit it somewhere. So, you could pick a bank you want to.
Okay,
With the PayPal, you can actually, if you create a PayPal account, PayPal has a routing and checking. You can actually use that as a bank if you want to.
I've had that before and unfortunately I had a bad experience, so.
What was your experience?
Almost borderline fraud. It
Fraud.
it was bad. Yeah.
Yeah, I ain't never had no
Bad.
fraud with PayPal.
I did.
So,
Yeah, I had fraud with them through Facebook. Somebody hacked in Facebook and was buying ads, and it was going through my PayPal. But
So
they
you,
got it all back to me. It was like over $1,000, but they
so
got it back.
you had your Facebook account, your Facebook ad account connected to PayPal.
Yeah, because I didn't want to connect it to my.
That's what it's for. You know what I'm saying? Exactly.
Uh-huh. Well,
Exactly.
I didn't want to connect it, so I was running ads, but I hadn't ran ads in a long time. But when I would run the ads and they take the money, they just take it from my PayPal card.
Yeah, because PayPal, like, they really big on like trying to secure your stuff. So if you get,
Hmm.
they're really good at giving your money back. So I've never been hacked. If I'm gonna use a bank to do online, I would rather use something that's like in between my personal bank. You know what I'm saying?
Right. That's why I had them connected. Hmm.
Hey Jerry, are you able to let me in? Because I'm using my phone now, but I'm on my laptop working. But I want to show you what I'm seeing because I'm not able to log into my Stripe account.
Recording in progress.
Oh my God.
Okay, you can share your screen. What messages are giving you? Okay, what messages are giving you? Uh, what you doing? What are you doing? Carrington? Carrington.
My bad. I was on mute this whole time. That's crazy. All right. So yeah, as I was, are y'all able to see my screen?
Yes, I see your screen.
Yeah. So as directed, I went to payments, then I went to enable Stripe. And when I do, this screen here appears, and I clicked enter account key because I found that over here in this tab here.
Okay. Oh, so what are you on a secure connect? Okay, you're not on a secure connection, so you're not going to be able to do this.
Oh, is that why?
Yes, put that in the email.
Okay, let me try to join from my phone. I have because I'm borrowing my neighbor's Wi-Fi right now.
Okay.
Um,
All right.
Is it because
sorry.
They're not going to send, Stripe is not going to send messages to a insecure website. You know what I'm saying? That's why I said
Mhm.
you guys need a live site on a hosting plan. So like Imani, you could test yours out. Uh, Anna, I know you got yours. Darius, I know you got yours. So that's what you guys would need in order to like work with that. But you can follow along whenever you guys get that. You know what I'm saying? I sent the link on where you can get uh Everybody still hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. I sent the link on where you can get a cheap hosting plan. So, you know what I'm saying, you guys could check that out. It's $35.88 for the year. You get a free domain. That's the only way you're gonna have a fully functioning online store. If not, it's just gonna be just the store. But
Gotcha.
got it.
I'm still not sure what kind of store I want to do.
So sell
Yeah.
your bean pies.
Yeah, I was trying to do something different. But I guess I could.
Anna, you can sell cakes. You know, baking.
No,
You say you ain't doing that.
That's how I feel, Anna.
I'm
This is-
sorry.
Anna, you
I
make
will
cake?
tell you who can make them, but I can't. I only have one. I just had that one specialty. That's it.
What, on the cake side? On the sweet side?
Yeah, I don't even know. I haven't even baked a cake. I can't even tell you the last time I baked a cake. Seriously, that was not out of a box.
Right. But you can sell anything. You can sell your services. You can sell
Yeah,
digital products, digital downloads, like an ebook. If you got an ebook, and you want to sell it, the seller's on there. You can also do drop shipping as well. Um, but we'll get started in a few minutes. I'm gonna show you guys how to set up test mode.
I think I did something wrong, Jerry, because it's taking me to Woo Payments setup. Well, isn't it supposed to go to Stripe? Because I have that account.
Let me see what you got. Share your screen.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh yeah, this is what you're supposed to do. Go back to your WordPress site.
Okay.
Let's go to WooCommerce settings.
Mm-hmm.
Go to payments. Scroll down. You don't have the plugin add-on, so you got to install that. So let's go back to plugins. Click add new.
Mm-hmm.
And what you're gonna go in the search box and type Stripe.
Mm-hmm. I don't know.
And you're gonna do WooCommerce.
This one right
Yeah,
here.
you gotta activate it. It's not activated.
Okay,
Yeah, once you install it, then you activate.
right, yeah.
SiteGround has the
Oh,
plugin.
it's only doing this because you're here.
Huh?
I said it's only doing that. I thought I did this already, but
Oh, okay.
it's working now. So, okay, now I go back here.
You go back to settings. Go to payments. And go to Stripe. Scroll down to Stripe and then check that nah, don't click into there. Go back out of here. Or you can click here. Create or connect account.
Create, okay.
And then yeah, now so you put in your email for your Stripe account. And then you'll put in your password. There you go. There's your account. And then you can click connect.
Okay. Yoo-hoo, magic. See, I told you you got the Midas touch. Thanks, Jerry.
You're welcome. But now you know how to do it. Now you know how to connect your payments to WooCommerce.
Got it.
Awesome.
Fantastic.
Okay, so let's get started with setting up test mode. So the first thing you're gonna do, I'm gonna show you is how to set up test mode. So after you set it up, you should see something like this, right? Like when you go to payment methods, like say if you go to WooCommerce settings, right? Back to WooCommerce settings, go back to payments. And then you go back to Stripe and then you go back to manage. So let's just look at a few things first. So these are the different payment methods you have: credit card, debit card. They also have other payment methods. You can get more payment methods, like click on here, but you have to go to your Stripe dashboard and enable that. Like you could enable Apple Pay, Google Pay, but you have to enable that. These are some of the payments. Okay, yeah, I think it's enabled. Express checkout. Okay, so Apple Pay and Google Pay are enabled. Link autofills your customer's payment and shipping details to deliver an easy and seamless checkout experience. New checkout experience needs to be enabled for Link. By enable this feature, okay, so Stripe is cool because it offers a lot of different checkout experiences: Apple Pay, Google Pay, credit card, debit card. So a lot of people pay by these different payment methods. They also have stuff like other different types of payment methods, and I know they have like stuff where people can take out loans and stuff like that. So here you'll see like the different payment methods: live, card, uh, manage accepted card payments, installments in Mexico. We ain't in Mexico, so we ain't doing that. So they have ACH. There's pros and cons to this because this ACH stuff, it takes 2 to 3 business days to see your money. So I don't really like it. I like debit cards, credit cards, Apple Pay. You know what I'm saying? They got Apple Pay, they got Cash App Pay. Here's the Klarna, buy now, pay later. So the bank will pay you, and then they gotta pay the bank and all that, you know. But these are the different payment methods you could activate. You know, so they say I have.
You have to have a Klarna account though, right? First, I mean, if you act before you activate it, or how does that work?
Yeah, you should have a Stripe account. That's how I'm in here. I have Stripe.
Oh, all of those connected to Stripe,
Yes.
all these. But I'm saying, do you have to have a? So like, I got Cash App, so I got to have a Cash App and a Stripe account, right?
Yeah, so Stripe offers a way for you to process payments using different payment methods. So right now I have, credit card and debit card activated, and also Apple Pay and Google Pay. But if you want to activate more, you would have to come in here and kind of like, I think, turn it on. You
I
add-
know I'm saying though, but I have to have all those other ones my first, right? Like I can't, like you have to have a Cash App account first, even though it's offering it. You got to have one first. So you got to basically set up all those, right?
Nah, you basically you are allowing people to pay with Cash App. This is what all these, but you don't have to have a Cash App account. You just gotta have a Stripe account. Any money that's collected through these different payment methods gets sent to your bank account, whatever bank account that's connected. Does that make sense to you?
Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know why in my mind, I was just thinking I would need to have those accounts too, but okay.
They just offer these to people. Like if you have your customer base, they like to use Apple Pay and Google Pay, which I use Apple Pay all the time. So I may use that. It's really easy, it's quick. I just press a button, bam, I purchased. You may
Oh
want
yeah,
to,
that's good to know that they just gonna collect it, like whether you have it or not. That's cool.
so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put this in test mode. So Stripe has a test mode in order for you to test out your account. So if you're using test data, real money won't be charged. So I'm gonna leave it like this. So what I'm gonna do here now, first place is go to developers, right? And then here is where you're gonna grab some API keys. So what you have is a publishable key and a secret key. So these are the keys, and this is how Stripe interacts with your website. It allows you to like collect payments, set up subscription, and it communicates back and forth with Stripe. So it's a publishable key and a secret key. So it's in test mode. So these are your test keys. So where I'm gonna enable this at is when I go back up here and I go to settings, right? Once I go to settings, this is where you're gonna enable test modes. Right now, it says enable Stripe. This is what's checked. So if you read this, it says when enabled, payment methods powered by Stripe will appear on checkout. What you can do, you can press enable test mode, deselect that, right? So that's the first thing you do. Then down here, I'm gonna go to account details. So this is my email for my account, and then I'm gonna set up my account keys. So you see right here, it has test publishable key, test secret key. So the first thing I'm gonna do is grab my publishable key. Just clicking it, it's copied. Put that right here. This goes in your test tab. It's for testing. And then I'm gonna reveal my test secret key. Click that, and I'm gonna put that in my secret key, test secret key input. Next, you gotta set up webhooks. So what webhooks are is a way for Stripe to listen whenever a payment is processed, collected, failed, denied. Uh, it captures, it fires off whenever that happens in the background, and it's stored in Stripe. So since you're doing uh, something that's not involving coding, is still important because you want to capture certain events. So you got to create a test webhook secret. So what I'm going to do, it says right here, add the following webhook endpoint to your Stripe account settings. So I'm going to add this webhook to my Stripe account settings, and I'm going to show you how to create that. So you go right here to webhooks, and I may have some webhooks. It looks like I have some webhooks already. I think I do have some webhooks. Big forms, WP Stripe. Think of the Academy. I think I have some webhooks already. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna delete some of them. This is for Roku. I don't need this crap no more. So I want to show you guys how to create it. You see, I got different webhooks like customer created. You know, when a customer's created, that's for like subscriptions and stuff. Rid of that. Urban Tech Code Crafters, that was an old connection. Get rid of this. Okay. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create the endpoint. So that URL right here. So I click out of this. So I'm right here with webhooks. So what I'm gonna do is create a webhook. I click add endpoint. And then remember this right here. This is what you grab. Grab this. Then you're gonna put it right here. So this is your endpoint URL. This is where, because it knows it's coming from my site, techmarketpros.com to here. So you can add a description for this webhook if you want. I'm not gonna do that. So now, the next thing you need to pay attention to is down here, where it says select events to listen to. So there's different events you can listen to. And this is like the coded version. Like if you were coding this up, this is what it would look like. I've set this up multiple times. It's actually fairly simple, but you don't even have to worry about this. But here is what you got to think about. So you're going to click select events. Now, events are going to be based on what type of information you're trying to capture. So we're trying to capture stuff about payments. So trying to see charge right here. It says charge. It comes with 13 events. So you could actually read these and pick which one you want. So occurs whenever a previously uncaptured charge is captured, charge expired. So I want to do like charge successful, right? I want to do charge refunded. I want to know whenever there's a refund, occurs whenever a charge is refunded. Whenever a charge description is updated, charge dispute, you may have disputes, dispute created. So whatever you need for your site. Charge refund updated, charge dispute updated. So you may have disputes for your product, so you may want to capture that information. Charge is pending, you may want to see if a charge is pending, because sometimes charges may be pending. What else? Yeah, so there's other stuff you can capture too. Depends on your situation. Payment intent amount, if you even need these. So I don't need these, I just need stuff about charges. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click add events. Right? And then once I'm done with that, I got all my events, I'm gonna click add endpoint. So I'm really mainly going with charges for products. I just wanna know if it succeeded, failed, somebody filed a dispute, refund updated, dispute updated. And Stripe has a way to guide you, so in the help section about what's important. But right now I don't have any events. So this is where I'm at this point. Anybody lost at this point? Okay. So the next thing after you create the webhook, you need to grab the secret. This is the signing secret. And then I'm gonna grab this right here. And then I'm gonna add this test webhook secret right there. And then I'm gonna save test keys. And then you better say it says account key saved. Okay. Hope it's saved. Reload. What's happening? Publisher live key. Why is this here? Test key. Okay. Okay. Deselect that. Deselect that. Save changes. Okay. Yeah, make sure that this right here is enabled and this is not enabled. Because you're not taking live payments now, you're just checking. And once all that is set up, all these should be green. Payment enabled, payout enabled, webhook enabled. You're on test mode right now. So anybody got any questions on that? So I'm gonna stop right here, let you guys get caught up. Give you about 10 minutes. Hey, character, would it at least allow you to do your test keys? I don't know. Does it even,
Uh, let me try it. Let me see.
because I know they're real finicky about insecure connections. So
When you say insecure connection, is it because of my Wi-Fi or is it because of the hosting?
the local host. So if you look in your browser, you see where it says not secure. You don't have an SSL certificate, so that's not a secure connection to send data back and forth. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I see. Yes, it's not secure. Your connection to the site is not secure. You should not enter any sensitive info on this site because
Yeah.
it could be stolen by attackers.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yes. Absolutely.
Okay. Let me test the test and I'll let you know.
Okay. Anna.
Or okay, yeah.
So now I just need to know, where do I go to get those test keys? I'm in the payments. Is it Woot Payments or is it Stripe
So let's
that I get that API key?
so let me stop sharing my screen. I want you to share your screen.
Okay. I'm here.
Okay. So scroll down. You don't have Stripe enabled. So enable Stripe. Click enable.
Oh,
Yeah. Didn't you already set this up?
yeah.
I forgot what happened.
I don't know.
Okay, try it again. I know what happened. Yeah, you don't need to do that. It says set up to the user free authentic. Uh, is it forcing you to do this? See
Return
if
to
you can go
this.
back. Return to WooCommerce.
It should be open somewhere up here. I don't know.
Return.
I've got too many windows open up right now.
Want to do that now?
Huh?
Click return to WooCommerce. Yeah,
Okay.
you could do that later. I think it should have let you. I don't think you have to. And then damn, I think you have to.
I'm in here somewhere. I was just in here
Okay, the test connection.
following along.
Okay, all right. So you may have to enable two-factor authentication. You may have to do that. So let's go go ahead and do that. And
No.
did you have to do that, Amani? Amani, did you have to do that? Did you have to? You have two-factor authentication.
No, I just signed in.
Oh, you went through the setup process and everything,
Hmm.
and they didn't ask you for that. It's weird.
Because here I am. I'm right here in
Oh,
Stripe.
they text me a code.
Oh, okay, yeah. So that's probably
Mhm.
they probably want you to do that. They probably send that as mandatory. I already had mine set up like that anyway. But yeah, you probably got to set it up. So you could go back to connect, go back to WooCommerce, and then just go through that process of setting up that two-factor. Yeah, they want to make sure this thing stays secure.
Okay.
Set up two-factor. Use text message. Use text messages instead. Okay. So you put your number in, you get a code.
All right.
Right, that's where I was.
This is the one annoying thing with PayPal and Stripe. You always gotta put some code in. Especially with my PayPal, I constantly get logged out. Gotta put code in.
Really?
Okay, so they're gonna send a link to your email.
This?
Probably because it's your first time doing it. So once you click on that link, it should go away.
Yeah.
Anybody else having trouble with putting your test keys in there and setting up your webhook?
Let me see. I think I bypassed something here. And start customizing, you just go to get paid, right? Yeah, well, but
You got to go to settings, WooCommerce settings, payments, and then go to Stripe, and then that's where you can set up. Click to manage, and that's where you can set all that up. Did you click on the link in your email, Anna?
Yes, I'm typing it in now. I'm verifying it through my
Okay.
account. Okay, should be. Now. Is it asking me to do that?
What happened?
It's asking me for that two-step again.
Did you click the link?
But,
Probably best to click the link in
yeah, I did.
your browser.
But see, I'm gonna maybe I have to go through here.
It's probably best to do it in your browser. Like go to your email in your browser.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm about to do now. Banana. Email. Which I don't know what it is. Couldn't connect to the dashboard. Why?
But
Okay, what is going on? Okay, now I'm in there.
okay. Now if you go back to your WordPress, is it letting you pass? Yeah, because this is supposed to go. Yeah, it didn't connect for some reason. I don't know why. When you click into your email, resend the link and go back in and do it again. And then go back to your email.
oh,
What time is it? Okay, 6:52. Okay, so this is the latest one.
Could not connect. Are you on the correct browser and device? Did you open an old link? Okay, it's probably
No.
sensing that something is cached away. So that's the only thing I can.
See, I'm already. Let's see, maybe I can. Sit out of there.
And then
Let's try this one more time. This is it.
Okay, the only thing I can say is clear your cache because it's probably recognizing the old link. Okay, now go back to your email.
Okay.
Is that the back to your email?
Yeah. See, this is the latest one that was sent.
You're gonna have to clear your cache.
So where do I go to do that? Is it,
So click
um,
to the three dots in the right in the settings. At the top,
up here?
yeah, go to settings.
Okay.
It's not recognizing it, so go to settings. Is this
Clear
Chrome?
browsing data?
Yeah.
Yes.
I don't see settings. Where's settings? Click more tools.
Yeah. Would it be in here, clear browsing data?
Maybe click that. Okay, yeah. Clear data. And then it's gonna log you out of everything, so you're gonna have to log back in and do it again. But in the meantime, I'm gonna give you guys another 10, 15 minutes to get that together. I'm gonna take a drink, drink some water.
Okay.
All right,
Thank you, Jerry. I'll keep working on this.
all right.
Please leave your message for 7735
Hello, is everybody there? So we can continue on.
Yep.
Has everybody got their, those who can, those who have live sites, those who don't, you should still have your WooCommerce set up. You can do that. I'm about to show you how to upload products, your first product. So let's continue on. So I don't have any pictures, any images for products, so I'm just gonna grab some. Let's see. I'm gonna go to instant images. I'm gonna do hats and t-shirts. Red hats. Keep it simple. Red baseball caps. So make a bird really you. Something like that. Something like that. Something like this, something like that. Just grabbing a few pictures. Okay. And then, okay, awesome. And then maybe some shirts, t-shirts. But of course, you would have your own images. And, you can upload your own imagery. Shirt right here. It's a nice shirt. It's a nice shirt. Nice shirt. Just grabbing stuff I think will be cool to all add to an online store. Stuff and models usually sell. Bam. So now I'm gonna create some products. So I'm gonna go to products. I clicked, but first let me go back. And I'm gonna go to WooCommerce. That's where I went. Matter of fact, I'm going to products, go to all products. I don't have no products. Right. But I could create a product. So I'm gonna click create product. And you see there's also an option to import, because you can have products in an Excel file. You can import that. So I'm gonna say red hat. Create a description. I'm gonna use ChatGPT to create a description. Create a description in an online store for a red hat. So, which is a great way to come up with some dummy data. Grab this, I'll put this right here in the description tab. So I got my description in there. Next, I'm gonna come down here. I'm gonna set a price for my product. I'm about to price it at $25. Matter of fact, I'll just do that. 25. There's no sales price as far as inventory. Is there a SKU? So SKUs refers to a stock keeping unit, a unique identifier for each distinct product and service that can be purchased. So I don't have that. So I'm not gonna add that, but there's a way to track stock quantity for this product. You could set the stock to like 5 hats available. Allow back orders. Anybody know what back orders are?
Yeah, it's when you're out of stock, but you got some people who need it, so you're waiting for that product to arrive.
You could allow that. But notify, click allow. Depending on how you want to set it up. Low stock threshold. So let's see what's up with that. When product stock reaches this amount, you will be notified by email. It is possible to define different values for each variation. It's possible to define different values for each variation individually. the shop default value can be set in settings, products, and inventory. So you can set default value to like 3 or 2. So whenever your stock gets this low, you'll be sent an email. Yes, Lance? Hello, Lance? Guess you're on mute. Yeah, I thought you were raising your hand, but okay. But yes, so this can, so like say if you want your threshold, like when I get down to 2, like let me set this to like a higher. Say if I get down to like 5 or something, send me an email, let me know so I can stock up. So right here, you can limit purchase to 1 item per order. Check to let customers to purchase only 1 item in a single order. This is particularly useful for items that have limited quality, for example, art or handmade goods. So it depends on you. So I leave I wouldn't check this if you want people to purchase multiple items on 1 order. You know, depending on how popular your product is, you may run out fast, but it's up to you. You can have a short description for the product. So some of this, just grab this little short description right here. Next, we can set our product image right here. So I'm gonna grab, I think it was like a red hat, wasn't it? I mean, no red hat. Well, I'll probably change this to American ball cap or some shit. Set product image. You can add product image galleries, but maybe that's something like this. I add those two. Okay. Lance, yes. Okay. Either you're on mute or, you know, I just don't hear you.
He's on mute.
Do you know how to unmute, Lance?
Nah, he probably got the emote up, but he probably don't know how to take it down. He probably don't even got a question.
So I will continue. So yeah, here you can add a product gallery. And then you could also add categories. So I could create a category hats or baseball, American cap, let's call it. Or we could call it caps, make it more generic. Or you just looking for hats or just baseball caps. You know, so when people search, they can find your products. So you can add tags like American. They can be more specific, American baseball caps. Choose from the most style. I kind of want to sell some stuff too, like some type of T-shirt. You know what I'm saying? Uh, you know that Kendrick Lamar song that's going viral. You can sell that. You know what I'm saying? You know, just thinking of some ideas. And then no sidebar. So next, we got to deal with shipping. So this is where you can set the dimensions, like the weight, length, width, and height, shipping class. And you would be able to grab those dimensions. The shipping class, so if we click on here, weight in decimal form, so like kilograms, decimal form, length, width, and height in decimal form of the hat, you should be able to grab those from the manufacturer. The shipping classes are used by certain shipping methods to group similar products. So WooCommerce has information on this stuff to help guide you. So you also have link products. So like Upsells are products which you recommend instead of the currently viewed product. For example, products that are more profitable or better quality or more expensive. So like if you sell a hat, you can also offer an upsell in checkout for like a higher quality product or maybe a bundle package. Cross sales are products which you promote in the cart based on the current product. So you can also cross sell other products too that are related. You also have attributes that you can add, size, color. So you could probably add a size into some descriptive text. So like maybe size is visible on the product page. You could do like 5 to maybe 9.5. Say product, same attributes. So you get based on size, color. So maybe we could add colors. Red and blue, red, blue. Bam. Okay. So I just added 2 attributes. And attributes is a way to add descriptive pieces of information that customers can use to search for this product in your store, such as material, brand. You can add sizes, colors, material, brand. This is advanced, like enter an optional note to send the customer after purchase. This could be like, thank you for your purchase, you know, menu order, custom ordering position. Kind of don't remember what that's useful for, I forgot. But you could also add reviews. And then I think that's pretty much it. And then I could publish this product. And then you could actually view this product. Clicking on it. There you go. There's the product. Red hat. It's not a red hat. Change this. American baseball cap. Update. It's going slow. Okay. It's moving mighty slow. Anybody got any questions at this point?
Nah,
Man, this thing is taking slow. Save. Taking forever. American baseball cap. I forgot why is it doing this? Why is it taking so long? But this is how you upload a product. Wow. I don't know why it's taking this long. Yeah, gotta figure out why it's doing that. I don't know, it's maybe because my internet moving slow. See if I can do a quick edit. My products, all products. Just look at it. American. Small cap. There we go. See what changed there. Go back to that product. Changed. There we go. Kind of want to change the slug too. Very good. And this is good for SEO. It appears in the browser. Click view this product. There. One thing we can do, I can adjust this. Divi, this works well with Divi. It's very compatible with it. Can kind of like freestyle this. So I can just change a few things like that. I want to change the color to white. That's fine. Fine. I gotta change this too. That little button right there. That's some type of focus. Kind of want to make that stand out a little bit instead of blending like that. So I probably want to do like a background color. And it's kind of dark. Kind of lighten this up a little bit. Yeah. Anybody got any questions in there? And then this way, like your descriptions fill in, additional information, reviews. Pick the quantity, there's 20 in stock, you can see that. Add to cart. Anybody got any questions at this point? Okay, next thing I want to do, I want to show you how to show it on your page. See, I want to add another product, just one more product. Shit, I can duplicate this and then just change stuff around. I add a hat, t-shirt. Okay. Okay. What the hell is going on here? How do I return? Oh, this product images. See, I need to change this. Do I need to? Yeah, I need to change this right here. So you move this. Set like some like some t-shirts. So I'll probably grab that. And then grab some images. Of course, you'll probably get some images that's related. But you can get rid of those. I'm just using these as examples. So I can grab this. Supposed to grab all. Gotta hold down Command to select it. Select multiple, get rid of like category. Let's add a new category. T-shirts. Category. You have t-shirts, and then you got product tags. So this could be like big bohemian t-shirts. I don't know. You can have more specific names. This is just more specific bohemian t-shirts. And need a product description, extract GPT, create a product description for a bohemian t-shirt. Description right here. Of course, you would have your own descriptions. Product short description. This is short, so I'm gonna break this up. Okay. I'm gonna grab this, keep this, and then bam, and then why it look like that, bam. So I got everything. Let's see what else I'm missing here. Publish, and then we can check this out. Product publish, new product. Bam. So got that. You know what I'm saying? Click on that, have a different view, bam, bam. Then we got the description here, we get the products, stuff like that. But this one be like a related product. You have to say something different. I wonder why it's saying related. Let me see. Is it based on the tags? Sure. Oh, it's based on this. Gotta get rid of that. So that should disappear. Because you only want products that are related to show. Product. Okay, that's gone. See, it's not a related product. Anybody got any questions? The next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to create a page to display my products. I'm gonna just call this product page. Click use Divi Builder. I'm gonna use Divi AI. Anybody got any questions at this point? Everybody's follow along.
Yeah, I'm following.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm gonna build with AI. Right. Get rid of that crap. And then create a page for my products from WooCommerce for the ads and the shirts. Generate layout. It's generating that, and you guys should be leveraging this. Okay. Got something like this. I need to change this stuff. My buttons, I don't know why it's looking like this. Keep that. Make it match the site. But this will do. Copy module style, apply this to here. You can paste that there. Paste that there. I want to change icon right here. I don't want to change all of it. I'll make it match. But it's not displaying my products. But I'm gonna show you how to do it because there's a module that comes with commerce. These are not my products, these are dummy products. Background. Speak it all match. I should have probably preset that too. Okay, so I got it all. So now what I'm gonna do is gonna add shop our products, something like that. Then I want to add my products, so I'm gonna add a row. Then I'm gonna type commerce. So I just want to lay out my products. So product gallery. Content. Latest product. Layout. Grid. There we go. These are the products. They have portrait mode, landscape mode. This looks a little bit better with landscape, a bit bigger. Content, you show title and options, show pagination. Add some background color to this. If you want, but see if you want to. You add an overlay icon, overlay background, kind of like making it transparent. Looks a little nicer. And then, bam. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this. And this is one way you can show your products. So if a person clicks into here, exit visual builder. Person clicks into here. So why is it doing that? It's weird. I don't have to click into the product. That's weird. It's not allowing you to click into it. Just a gallery. I don't know. So which module you can actually have that here? Notice full product images, products. Right. There we go. That's what you're supposed to be using with products. Now, I guess you could use a gallery with that. So here's the products. So like default menu ordering, product count, column layout, add an overlay tool, icon color, background color, kind of make it light a little bit. Doesn't look too bad, yo. So now you should be able to click in into it. It should go to the product page. I already styled it, but you can style this, you can make this look better. So like probably raise the font size a little bit. I need to change that name. American baseball cap copy. Probably add some line height. Price, change that price font. Look at the text size. Yeah. So I just want to, I put a few up there. I'll show you guys how to do it. So using the Brew products, that's the module. It automatically comes with that. So makes it visual. Matter of fact, I'm gonna publish this. And then I'm gonna test out payments. I'm gonna test out a payment to show you how that works. It's just gonna be a test payment. So click on one of these, it should take you to that page, right? Say I want 2, I want 3, add to cart. It gets added. 3 American baseball caps, and add to cart. Let's click through cart. Bam. So you can change this too as well. So you have American baseball cap. If you have a coupon going on, a sale, person can add a coupon here. But you could create them in Stripe. So proceed to checkout. And then this is your checkout page. There are no payments available. This may be please contact me. So why is there no payment? Hold on. So I gotta go to my payments, see what's going on. Settings. Payments. Why this is not on? Okay, same changes. That's probably what I have to do. Okay. So I already put my keys in there. Keys should already be in there. Just check to make sure. Okay, everything is good to go. Payment, everything is red. Enable test stripe, no. Enable stripe, no. Make sure this is not enabled. It's an enable in test mode. Save changes. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm gonna go back. And then I should have stuff in my cart, but it should be showing something. I don't know why it's not showing. But proceed to checkout. Man, why is it not showing? There are no payment methods available. This may be an error. Please pay. This is weird. This. It's closing. Just set up. Credit card. Apple Pay settings. Test mode. Accounts. Error messages. All right. So if I go back to payment methods, okay, let's go back to payments. So if I click this, Okay, this is stay enabled, so if I click save changes. Yeah, this closes back. I'm trying to figure out why does it do that? Payments are saved, gotta be saved. Do you guys get that same issue? Your payments? Just closing up? Hello, y'all there?
I'm not
I'm
even on
here.
my laptop, so I can't even. I mean, my computer, I can't even do it right now.
Okay. Okay, stay open. Okay, okay, so this is open. All right, so let me go back to dashboard to my cart. This. See checkout. There we go. Awesome. Okay, so just gonna put some information in there. Battery. Okay. Chicago boys. Yeah, that was weird. I don't know why it wasn't saving it, but it finally saved. So we have that available. Put your phone number in there, it's optional. Okay. Now here's the payments. So Stripe has test cards you can use. So use the test Visa card with any expiration date in CVC. So you can just copy this. I'm glad they put it in there. So you can copy it and use to, and then you can put whatever number for this 0 to 28. It doesn't matter. Whatever. If you want to save your payment information, save that. Add a note to order, leave on porch, please. Okay, whatever. Okay, we got that in there. Okay, we're gonna place an order. This is just testing. This is not a real payment. Thanks. Thank you. Your order has been received. Order details, American baseball cap 3 times, billing address, shipping address, free shipping, credit cards. So now I'm gonna check my dashboard for my orders. So I'm gonna go back here, go to WooCommerce, have one order. And then it says processing. So I could actually look at this and look at some of the more details of this order. It's order number 272, payment via credit card, paid on May 9th. Date created, billing, shipping, processing. And then you could like processing completed, you can change the status. It shows you shipping, Stripe fee, Stripe payout. You know what I'm saying? So that's where Stripe taken out. And then right here, these are your webhook events. Stripe charge complete, or the status change from pending process payment to processing. Stock levels reduced, American baseball cap, see that Stripe payment intent created, or the status. So you got all this information is coming from Stripe, right? So here, send order details to customer, resend notification. So this is pretty cool. Send order details to customer. I can click that. So you can communicate with customers, and then you go back to Stripe. Put my password in there. 094680. I'll go back to my test mode. I'll go back to first, I'm in test mode, right? So I can go to payments. There's my payment for the hat. Description, Tech Market Pros. I can click into it. Payment succeeded, the payment successfully set up. You see more information. You know, and then you can also go to customers. And look at the customers of people who ordered. You know what I'm saying? See if I got any balances. You'll have like what you made here. But another thing I want you to check out is the webhook. So remember I created this webhook right here. This one right here I created. So we got one succeeded charge. Click on that. Come down here, you see the request, response 200, okay. All this information gets captured. Then, and what we're mainly worried about is paid is true. That's what we're worried about. But you know, you see all the little details, credit card information and stuff like that. Here's the receipt. So you can actually like if you were coding, you could actually like send this as a receipt code. But like I could grab this URL, put it in there. There's the receipt and the company name. You know, but you can also set up the email to go out to your customers so they get a receipt as well. Anybody got any questions? No questions on this. Everybody good to go? Everybody understand how to set this up?
I have a question.
Yeah.
I think I got a better understanding of how to set it up. I did most of it along with you. Where will you post the video for this?
Oh, I'm gonna post it in the portal after you guys get off. I'm gonna download it, post it in the portal.
Okay.
All right. So
Where you gonna post it? In the
I'm gonna pick on some.
assignments.
Who wants to volunteer to test out a real payment tomorrow? I mean, next week. Just $1. Create a product for $1. It'll go back in your account. No one. Test out your own account. No one wants to do that. Yeah, that's the only way you can make sure it works if you test out real money. So I usually test out $1.
You said test out our own account tomorrow or next week?
Next week, yeah. So like the first test you will do is like the test environment. And then the real test is like you create a product for $1. Like you can change that product's actual price to $1
Okay.
and then purchase it for an actual $1 with your credit card, make sure it works. You know what I'm saying?
Next week. I'll give it a try.
Okay, awesome. And then you can actually see how that works. But once you take real payment and then you're good to go, just upload your products. Of course, there's more stuff like, if you're selling a physical product, you got to pay taxes, sell tax. So there's a process. Stripe helps you. You just got to get something from the city or some shit. But and then you'll upload some type of file to Stripe and they'll calculate the taxes for you.
I chose something in Stripe. I mean, in Woo, Commerce, that helps you with that. That does it automatically. Did you see that? Or at
Yes,
least it said it does.
yes.
Does that work?
You would have to, you gotta do a little bit more.
Check it out.
Stripe has more information on it. You can look it up about the sales tax. So like if you go on their website and just read up on it, it'll tell you what to do. So one thing I want to show you is this, guys. Everybody watching, everybody see this? This is called Gelato. This works with WordPress. You can do drop shipping with this, print on demand. You can connect all this. They take care of everything for you. They ship it, they pack it, they ship it, they print it, and they send it out. And they have a lot of products, you know what I'm saying? Stuff like that. So
Do you like their price points?
huh?
Do you like their price points?
Uh I don't know for sure if I like it because I haven't compared it, but there's other drop shipping companies out there that work with WordPress, like drop shipping companies with WordPress, drop shipping plugins. So it's a plugin, drop shipping plugins for WordPress. 10 best drop shipping plugins for WordPress. So here's some drop shipping plugins. This is not too old. It's like a year, almost a year. So WooCommerce, Dropify, yeah, take that one.
Would it be better to stay with Woo since we've already set up so many since we already set up in Woo?
You said what?
Would it be better to use Woo since we already set up in WooCommerce?
I think WooCommerce does have a drop shipping, but I don't know how it works. I think it's maybe like an add-on or a plugin, but you can use any one of these to attach to your your store. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just showing you different kinds. It's good to explore different types of technology so you know what's out here. So here's another one, AliExpress automation solution, drop shipping with Dropify, everything you need to run a drop shipping business. Get started is free. So I guess this works with WordPress. This has a plugin. Checkout manager is designed to work with WooCommerce and can be the perfect way. You can also this is not some drop shipping. We're only looking for drop shipping. So this is Etsy. This was for Isuzu. I heard this was cool. Another great dropship.me. There's another one. Like you can look for products, services. You know, this looks like it has a lot of cool products in it. You know what I'm saying? That works. Guesswork of what to sell without drop me. Times less chance for a sale. So no product search needed. Save a ton of time on editing. So get free plugin right here. I haven't tried this, but this looks pretty damn cool. And you can sell products on this. So they got good reviews. I might even try this. They look like they got more variety of products. So you know, you guys do research, explore, look at different options. A lot of these plugins work with WooCommerce, so but you guys should be able to have your basic store set up, your payment set up. I highly recommend you guys get a hosting plan. Or you're not going to be able to get the full functionality of your online store. But with that being said, we're pretty much good to go. I'll be uploading this video probably tomorrow, so you guys have access to it. But so you guys,
You said you're gonna upload it in the assignment, right?
yeah,
Okay, thanks.
When is this due?
this is due. So you guys only have about the 18th. You're done. So I want this. I really want this done by Monday. I'm gonna set it to Monday.
This upcoming Monday?
Yeah,
Dang, all right.
that's too early. Or
To me, it is because
Yes.
yeah,
Yeah.
because if I'm saying that everybody else ain't gonna get it until the 18th. That's how I'm feeling.
what about Wednesday then? Next week, Wednesday?
Okay, that's more reasonable for me.
Okay.
So all assignments must be turned in, no late assignments. You need to get some type of hosting plan so you can get this up and running. Now, don't look at it the $35.88 or whatever you spend as wasted, because you can sell stuff now. You could actually sell products. Like you could do drop shipping, sell products. You just need to like find a group of people to sell it to. And any type of products. It can be products like people buy soap. You can sell soap, like, you know what I'm saying? Like bulks of soap or stuff like that. Like normal products that people buy. Instead of them buying at the store, they can buy it from you. So, but I recommend you get that for those who don't have that, so you get the full experience. So at least you have a store for a year, you know. But with that being said, you guys are good to go.
Thank you.
I have a question.
I
Yeah,
do too.
If you like, so if you don't have anything to sell, like, can we do all the parts except for connect our payment information? Like, if we not like ready to get to that point, or
you say, can you do what? Yes, you need.
instead, like, do we really have to enter our like account and stuff? I just be like, if what if we not like ready, you know?
Yes, because this is a part of your assignment.
Ah.
Somebody comes to you to build a website and you don't know how to connect payments. I mean, there's people who build sites like this for $10,000, $20,000, $30,000. You know that?
So why we couldn't just create a generic, I'm like her, that's why I haven't did that part, because I've been hacked too many times with
Yeah,
online,
me too.
You had too many times with what?
been hacked with online purchases and with my credit card or my bank stuff out there. So I'm kind of leery with that part of this process. And I was thinking maybe if we had a generic for the class just to go through it, a generic account that we can use just to see if it works. Since it's in a test mode, we didn't have to really use a live bank account just because it's in a test mode.
Yes, in test mode, it's fine, but you're saying to connect like to do a live payment?
No, to do this, when you set up the Stripe, you have to set your bank information in there.
Yeah, it's safe and Stripe. You're not gonna have a problem unless you do. You got to do two-factor authentication. You got to use your phone. Nobody can log in except using your phone. Somebody gonna
Okay, I do it.
knock you out and take your phone. Now I'm just playing, but that's the only way. Like, and I understand. Like, none of us are safe. I'm not safe. People have hacked into my accounts. Nobody's ever stole money, but you just got to be careful and put a lot of security on it, like two-factor on the authentication. You could even use get like a secret mobile app, like that Microsoft Authenticator to authenticate yourself. You just got to be safe on the web. That's it. If you want to work with this, you got to know how to deal with this, and know how to protect yourself. You get what I'm saying? You don't be afraid of it. You get what I'm saying?
I got you.
All right. Next question. Because even if you set up a store for somebody else, you got to set it up in a way where they don't get hacked. You know what I'm saying? So you got to, add security. You can add security to your store. There's plugins you can add for security. Of course, you got to pay for that, licenses. Make sure all your plugins stay updated. Your theme stays updated. You can have two-factor authentication for your WordPress site. So you can add multiple layers of security to your site. So, but it's always a risk, but that just comes with working in this field. You just got to be secure. But Anna, you raised your hand.
Yes, Jerry, if no one else, I just need your assistance after this class.
What do you need assistance with?
I'm finding for some reason when I add a new page, it's like it's connecting all my other pages instead of just having it kind of separate. It's not, it's like it's linking. So when I create a new page and you have your home, about us, contact us, it's like when I create a new page for this e-commerce, it's also including my real estate and then my landing page, which I don't want to do.
I'm talking about where is it including it?
On the new page, on the,
Exactly where? Do you know, in the menu or?
yes, in the menu.
Okay, so you could just go on your menu and just remove those links that you don't want. Whatever. Go on the menu where the menu is at, and then just remove whatever
Oh,
menu.
so you're saying each time I create a new page, it's going to automatically have that. It's not
Yes,
like
because
if I unselect it, I'm not going to delete my pages.
you want to remove the menu links from the menu, right? That's what you want to do, right?
Right, from my new page. Because
Yeah.
my e-commerce has nothing to do with like the real estate.
Okay,
That's
so
totally.
you still want to have a menu? Or you just want to remove it completely, or you just want to remove what? What do you try to, every menu item? You don't want a menu at all, or you want just that one menu for that?
No, I do. I'm pretty sure for this e-commerce, I will need a menu, but I'm just saying that the content right now is the same, just like if I submit my real estate, I'll have my real estate information, but then I'm also have this e-commerce in that menu.
Right. So do you want to remove the real estate menu items and just leave the e-commerce?
Right.
Oh yeah, so just go to menus and then just remove all the links associated with the other stuff, the real estate, and just keep your e-commerce page menu item. You know how to do
Okay.
that? You know how to do that, right? You know how to get to the menu section, right?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Okay, I'll try that. Thank you, Jerry.
Are you welcome? All right. You guys have a good night. I'm out.
Good night, everyone. Thank you.
Good night.
Guys.
Good night, everybody. Bye bye.